Thank you for joining me on this Bless Your Life meditation. Turn off any distractions. Make yourself comfortable. Begin to close your eyes. Relax your shoulders, relax your jaw. And as you take a deep breath in, as you exhale, feel your body and mind relaxing 10% more. And take another deep breath in, all the way in. And this time when you exhale, let out a sigh, some kind of vocal release that lets go of any tension you're holding on to. Let it all out, feeling even more relaxed, more grounded, more heart-centered. Take one more slow, long, deep breath in, all the way in, filling your lungs, your belly, your rib cage expanding, and letting it all out on a sigh. Just letting go. And now just let your breathing return to its natural rhythm and bring your awareness into the present moment, right here, right now. And in this moment, I invite you to uncover the gratitude in your heart. The more we can find gratitude, the more thankful we are, the more the universe gives us things to be grateful for. And in your mind, just think of all the things you have to be grateful for, how many blessings you have, the people in your life, the experiences you've had, the journey thus far, and that pure potential that is continually unfolding, that everything is working out for you. Everything is working out for you. And from this place of gratitude, it brings a clarity. And if everything is working out for you, and when you feel in alignment in your heart, all that you desire is right there. And now in this moment, bring forth in your mind something that you desire, something that you intend to manifest. How would it feel to have this? Bring forth the feelings, because the more that we can feel good about this already being here and the feelings that it would provide once it is here, the universe will simply uncover it because you are in true alignment. It's all here because everything is working out for you. And now I invite you to connect with your highest self, because your higher self is in full alignment. You just need to connect. Connect now. What messages are they giving you? bring yourself back and feeling grateful for this connection to your higher self, for this uncovering within, for this knowing that you are on the right path, because there is no one more worthy than you. You are meant to be here and shine your light. Lift others up. Be a leader of hope, a leader of possibility. And do it with grace and grit and a smile on your face. You know you are here for a reason. You know you are guided, and you can have fun while you do it. And take a deep breath in and feel that fire within igniting. It's inextinguishable, and you're keeping it alive with your spirit, your soul, and your good vibes as you go about today. And as you exhale, the fire just burns brighter. Wiggle your fingers and toes. Slowly open your eyes and allow that fire within your heart and soul to guide you. It's going to be a good day.